You know what? One little trivia. This is one of my favorite part in every USANA event. But one thing I don't like is like standing with towering athletes. Okay, just one quick question. Why do you trust USANA?
Ako po, kasi ever since I used it since 2019, naramdaman ko na it has given me a stronger immunity. And it shows kasi as an athlete, I have more energy, nakaka-recover ako better, and add-on na yung skin ko, sobrang nag-improve din with USANA. So, that's why I trust USANA.
Right. You know, in every monthly allocation of Faith, she never missed to get a Celavive product. Resurfacing serum to be particular. What about you, Boss D? Why do you trust USANA?
For me, I trust USANA not only because it being the #1 supplement here in the Philippines, but also because it offers a guarantee that their supplements are safe and effective, which are perfect for us athletes kasi nag-protect siya ng cells namin from daily stress and also supports long-term health.
Right. Prepared. All right. So one more time, let's give a big round of applause to our USANA athletes. There you go. And one last thing, we've given you your vitamin D. So I know you guys don't train outdoors most of the time, so you can take your vitamin D. One last question. How excited are you that USANA vitamin D is here? Given syempre, lagi kayo indoors, you know, and definitely walang masyadong sun. How excited are you that vitamin D is here?
Well, syempre, sobrang excited kasi add-on yun sa kailangan kong mga vitamins, and not being under the sun, always indoors, it's a great benefit add-on sa nutrition ko.
There you go. Dina.
Siyempre excited kasi ngayon lang siya dumating ng Philippines after a very long time, and well, ako, outdoors person ako, pero most of the time nga, sabi po ni Sir na lagi kaming indoors nagtitraining, so it's also an additional na iinumin para kahit na wala sa sun, you know, magpro-protect talaga sa amin.
So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a big round of applause to our two elite athletes, Faith Nisperos and Tina Wong. Alright, now at this point, we have something for you guys. We got some balls here. Who wants some free volleyballs?